Am I in focus right now? How about here? Hey, welcome back. It's that time of the month again. Hello and welcome back. Hello, hello, hello. Hi, and welcome back. Hola, ¿cómo estás? And welcome back. Hello, and welcome back. Hello, hi, ¿cómo estás? Hello there, and thanks for tuning in once again. Happy ho-ho holidays, and welcome back to another Mortgage Monday episode. Hello, Happy New Year, Feliz Nuevo Año, and welcome back to the first Mortgage Monday episode of the year. Hello and happy Mortgage Monday. In case you don't know, today is my 12th episode of the Monday Mortgage series, and I cannot believe how time has flown by since my very first episode. So what are you gonna do with your tax return this year? Don't know yet? Good. Well, I'll tell you what not to do with your return this year. Don't go buy a toy helicopter like I did back in 2002. I've come a long way since that episode, and so much has changed in the past year. As most of you know, I'm a proud new papa, and she's almost going to be 1. Can you believe it? And as of recently, I switched from the iPhone to the Android. How dare he! Traitor! No more blue text for you! Hey, give me a break. I'm just trying out new stuff. I had the iPhone for a long time, and I just want to try something new. But also, I bought a stupid drone with my tax return last year, which I crashed and broke within the first 4 months. I definitely don't recommend buying a drone with your tax return or a toy helicopter for that matter. But as the first year has passed since the start of my series, there are some things that will never change. And one of them is tax season. And I know what you're thinking, here he goes, talking about tax returns, I had to use my refund for my down payment, and blah, blah, blah. Not really. But since we are on the topic of tax refunds, I do want to talk about another type of down payment people are trying to use that's all the rage lately, and that's Bitcoin. And unless you've been living under a rock, I'm sure one of us has a friend or two that won't stop talking about the cryptocurrency and how awesome it is. I've seen the Facebook posts. I get it. It's awesome. And yes, while it is an amazing form of currency that's better than anything else ever invented, it surely isn't one thing. And that one thing is an acceptable form of down payment for a home, according to a large portion of banks and mortgage companies here in the US. And as Bitcoin prospects for everyday use have recently been called into question, the cryptocurrency, minus the currency, is still looking somewhat as an attractive store of value. Think of it less of a currency and more like an asset. Bitcoin may be considered, to some, as digital gold, but just like gold, you wouldn't buy a cup of coffee with gold shavings unless the year was 1750 or something like that. And in this case, you wouldn't buy that cup of coffee with an expensive piece of Bitcoin either. And although Bitcoin is everything other currencies are not, and the ease of use of cash is not here at the moment, the day may come when it truly is the best way to pay for something. But that day is not today. Bottom line, hey look, I am no expert on cryptocurrencies, but I do know a thing or two about qualifying for a mortgage. And for now, if you're trying to secure a mortgage and buy a home, let's keep the Bitcoin in the digital piggy bank, just for now. And let's source your down payment funds the old-fashioned way, by asking mom and dad, duh, or your grumpy older brother, or if that doesn't work, contact your mortgage professional, that'd be me, this guy right here, and let's develop a game plan to set you up for success. And for those of you who have listened through all the way through this episode, I have some really cool things in the works in addition to my Mortgage Monday videos. And they're more non-real estate centric and more everyday life focused. As always, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next Mortgage Monday episode and coming soon, my Mortgage Minute episodes. And remember, I loan it so you can own it. Until next time. Alright, I think that was one. I kind of faltered a little bit, but people aren't going to pay attention to that shit. I'm just going to put the text and edit it and then get it out and hopefully not delete it. That was the biggest thing. I had it perfect last week. But ultimately, I think today's filming was a little bit better. So I got it done and now it's time to start editing. But luckily I got all the text editing done, so I just gotta place it in there and then shift it around and then boom, out on Monday. Hope you enjoy it.